In this video, I'm going to walk you through the basic process of investing, touching on how it works, the various types of investments available, and how to choose the right ones based on your objectives and risk tolerance. Investing is an incredibly powerful tool for growing your wealth and reaching financial milestones like retirement, home ownership, and more. But for many, the idea of investment might seem daunting or overwhelming. My goal today is to go over the fundamentals simple and easy to understand. Before we dive in, let's get together on what investing really is. Essentially, investing involves putting money into different financial instruments or assets with the goal of generating a return that could be in the form of an increase in value, regular income, or a mix of both. The two main types of investments are stocks and bonds. Stocks. When you invest in stocks, you're part owner of a publicly traded company. This means you can potentially profit as the company expands and becomes more valuable over time. The major downside of stocks is that they can be volatile too, with big price swings in the short term. Bonds. Bonds are loans you make to a company or government. In exchange, you'll get regular interest payments until the bond matures, at which point you'll get your original investment back. Bonds are generally considered safer and more stable investment options, but return potential is lower than stocks. Mutual funds and exchange-traded funds (ETFs). These investment vehicles hold a mix of assets, such as stocks and bonds, and can provide a more balanced risk and return profile compared to individual investments. Ultimately, the key to making a powerful investment choice is to align it with your personal risk tolerance and financial goals. If you have a long-term time horizon, you might be able to take on more risk to grow your wealth quicker. But if you're in a shorter time frame or just don't have a high risk tolerance, bonds and balanced funds might be ideal. There are other important factors to consider when investing, such as your time horizon, diversification, fees, and expenses. While choosing the right investment isn't always an easy task, by taking the time to understand the different opportunities and risks, you can create a tailored investment plan that works best for you. If you have any more questions about investing basics, feel free to ask in the comments section. We're here to help you navigate the world of personal finance and set yourself up for long-term success. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.